Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. About this one, we have s and s. We need to simplify for the both sides. This one we change by dy over dx. So y square I will put on the left, dx and s we put on the right. Next, we need to integral both sides. This one we have negative 1 over y. This one we have ln of the absolute value of s and I will put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equal to number 1, y equals to number 5. So we need to put the value on here to find the value of c. Ln number 1 equal to number 0. And now we go back in here. So I will put this one on here. And we have negative 1 over 5. This is the end. Thank you for watching.